Hi, to fix direct video call problem on your CMF phone 1, first thing first, open your phone app. Here find contact you wanna call. For example, I'm gonna call Mehdi. And now to use video calls, you just need to tap this video icon. But as you can see, in my case, I got no video call, but just regular call with speaker, mute, and so on, without video option. So to fix this, first thing we can do is to tap on the three dots and choose settings. After that, select calling accounts, tap on your network provider, in my case it would be Vodafone, and now you should see this option to turn on video calling. So you can tap on the switcher to enable it and then simply use this back arrow to save the changes. Now let's test it again. I'm gonna select this same contact, tap video icon, and now we can see this video calling option enabled. So we got this video call icon, right? And if the problem still exists, then make sure that you enabled Wi-Fi or mobile data. So just open settings, go in network and internet, check your Wi-Fi connection, make sure it is not poor. So if you got poor Wi-Fi connection, then disable Wi-Fi and just stay on your mobile data. To enable mobile data, simply choose this SIMs tab and here tap on the switcher near mobile data. If it didn't help as well, try to reboot the phone. For that, press and hold power button and volume up buttons at the same time and here choose restart. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.